Hello guys, and welcome to this tutorial. My name is Emmanuel, and in this tutorial I'll be guiding you step by step on how you can create this cartoon dance video that is trending on social media. These videos are trending on TikTok and on Facebook, and you can actually use them to monetize your social media platform and get more engagement. If you are new to this page, kindly like this video, kindly click on the share button to share with someone, kindly click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss our next video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do when it comes to creating this dance video is to head on to social media platform like TikTok, and you're going to search for cartoon, or you're going to search for dance video. So when you search for this dance video, you find a dance video of your choice. You click on the download button to download it, and when you download it onto your device, you play the video and get to the point where the character that is dancing is actually facing the camera. So you click on pause and then you take a screenshot. So once you take a screenshot, you're going to crop the excess part of the screenshot and you're going to save the picture onto your device. So once you do that, you're going to head on to ChatGPT, and then you're going to open ChatGPT. You come to this plus arrow here and you click on it, and then you're going to click on add photo. Remember, you can do this even with your smartphone. So once you click on add photo, you're going to search for your photo and you're going to locate where you have your photo, and you're going to bring it onto ChatGPT. So once you bring your photo right here, you're going to write this prompt here, and the prompt says generate a Pixar style 3D cartoon baby character of this image. Now we want to create a dancing video, so we are generating a cartoon baby character of this image. So if you want me to send this prompt for you guys, kindly comment prompt in the comment section and I will send this prompt for you. So once you enter the prompt, you're going to hit on the generate button and you're going to wait for ChatGPT to generate this character for you. Remember, when you're working with ChatGPT, you have to be creative. When you want to create videos like this, you have to think outside the box and create videos that have not saturated the internet, that are not so common, so that you get more engagement. So guys, we're going to wait for ChatGPT to generate this image for us. It's going to take a bit depending on the strength of your network and the number of people using ChatGPT at the moment. So let's wait for a bit. Yeah, so as you can see, ChatGPT is done generating our image for us, and it has done a really amazing job for us. So we're going to click on the image and we are going to download it onto our device. So we'll just click on save and we're going to download it onto our device. Now you're going to head on to this website, clingai.com. Now you can use Kling AI for free to generate this image. You don't need to subscribe, except you want to use it subsequently. And if you want to keep using it subsequently, you can actually keep using different email address to be able to use this for subsequent generation. So guys, once you're on Kling AI, you're going to sign up, or you're going to create an account if you don't have an account, and you're going to come to where it says generate video or video generation. You click on this part and you're going to wait for it to load. So once it loads, you're going to see where it says motion control right here, and you're going to click on motion control. So when you click on motion control, you can see that it has two interfaces here. It has one side that says add video of character and the other side that says add character image. So you're going to click on add video of character, and you're going to locate the video on your phone or on your laptop depending on what you're using. This can also work on your phone, it can also work on your laptop. Now mind you, when you're using your phone for this generation, you have to use Kling AI on the website, not the Kling AI app. So on the website, you head on to Kling AI and then you're going to set your phone to desktop mode, and you're going to do this effortlessly. So we're going to wait for this video to load onto our device, and once it is done loading like this, once it is done Once it is done loading like this, we are going to add the image. So we'll click on this add image, and we're going to add the image. So I had to pause the sound because I don't want any copyright issue. So we are going to open the image, and we are going to wait for it to import onto our device. So as you can see, it has imported onto our device, and you're going to ensure that it is on standard, right? You set it on standard, and the output is going to be set to 1, and you're going to click on generate. So you can see that you need 70 credit to generate this image, to generate this video. 70 credit. So depending on the length of your dance video, it might consume more credit than this. So in case yours is not generating, you have to reduce your video. So we'll click on generate, and you can see task submitted, generation in progress. So we are going to wait. It's telling us that we have an estimated 5 minutes to wait. So guys, you can see we have 5 minutes to wait. So we are going to wait for 5 minutes for this to be generated. Alright guys, so you can see that our video is done generating, and Clean AI has done a nice job for us. You can see that the moves are very smooth and everything is looking very perfect, just like the reference video that we have. So all you need to do from here is to just click on this download button right here, and you can just click on download, and you will download the video onto your device. And don't forget, when you are here, when you add the reference video and the cartoon image, you have to write this prompt. So make the image mimic the exact dancing step of the character in the video with all facial expression. So in case you miss any of this prompt, kindly comment prompt in the comment section, and I will send the prompt for you. If you have not subscribed to this page, kindly go ahead and subscribe to this page. Kindly like this video and tell us what tutorial you want us to make next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.